Little Shona was excited to visit the beach for the first time. She wore her favorite pink swimsuit and brought a small bucket and shovel to play in the sand. Shona decided to build a sandcastle. She worked hard, filling her bucket with sand and turning it over to make tall towers. As she was decorating her castle with seashells, a cheeky crab crawled up and pinched one of her shells. Shona was surprised, but instead of getting upset, she laughed and said, "Hey, Mr. Crab, that's my shell." Shona was surprised, but instead of getting upset, she laughed and said, "Hey, Mr. Crab, that's my shell." She decided to share the shell with the crab. She put it back on the sand, and the crab happily scurried away with it. Just then, a big wave came and washed away Shona's sandcastle. She looked at the empty sand, then smiled and said, "Looks like the ocean wanted to play too." Shona wasn't sad. She started building a new sandcastle, knowing that the beach was full of surprises and fun. She had